Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a Lebanese garlic sauce called Toum. The oil garlic lovers out there, you're just going to love it. You can put it on a shoe and it's going to taste good. No, I'm not telling anybody to start eating shoes, but seriously, you can put it on anything. It tastes so great. You can eat it with any grilled meats, chicken, lamb, beef. You can eat it with flatbreads, pita bread. You can also eat it as a sandwich spread. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need half cup of fresh garlic cloves, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a neutral tasting oil. I like using avocado oil. Start by juicing the lemon. You'll need about 1/4 cup of juice. Next, measure 1 3/4 cups of oil. Again, use a neutral tasting vegetable oil. Add the garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice into a food processor. Process until the garlic is finely chopped, scraping the sides as you go. Then, start to add the oil slowly. My food processor has a dosing cup. If yours doesn't, add the oil in a very fine, slow stream. Process well between additions and scrape the sides as you go. Alternate between adding the lemon juice and the oil. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for each 1/4 cup of oil. The sauce will start to emulsify and thicken. Don't rush the process, go slow. Continue to alternate between the lemon juice and the oil. Once you're done adding all the juice and oil, keep processing it for a few extra minutes. The sauce should be airy and fluffy when done. The sauce can be eaten right away, but if you'd like a slightly less sharp taste, refrigerate it for 1 day. If you love garlic, you'll definitely love this sauce. You can serve it with any grilled meats, veggies. You can also use it as a vegan mayo or pair it with anything that needs a garlic kick. The sauce will keep well in the refrigerator for up to a month. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.